The internet is incredible. It's a vast network connecting computers worldwide. This digital web allows for the seamless exchange of data and ideas, breaking down geographical barriers and bringing people closer together. This connection lets us access information and communicate with anyone, anywhere, almost instantly. Whether it's a quick message to a friend or a video call with family across the globe, the internet makes it all possible. Imagine a library with endless books, magazines, videos and music. That's the internet. It's a treasure trove of knowledge and entertainment available at our fingertips. But it's also like a phone, a post office and a place to meet new friends, all rolled into one. You can send emails, chat on social media, and even make new connections through various online communities. The internet has transformed how we learn, work and play. From online classes to remote work and even gaming with friends, it has revolutionized our daily routines. It gives us instant access to information, connects us with friends and family across the globe, and opens up a world of entertainment and learning opportunities, streaming movies, researching for school, or simply staying in touch. The internet makes it all so easy. Whether you're researching a school project, catching up on the latest news, or video chatting with a friend overseas, the internet is an essential part of our daily lives. It's a tool that empowers us, keeps us informed, and helps us stay connected in an ever-changing world. The internet is like a giant library full of information on any topic you can imagine. Using search engines like Google, you can easily find websites, articles and videos on anything that interests you. When you need more specific information, you can use keywords to narrow down your search. For those times when you need in-depth research, online libraries and databases offer a wealth of reliable sources. Websites like JSTOR and Google Scholar provide access to academic journals, articles, and books, while online encyclopedias like Britannica offer comprehensive information on a wide range of subjects. These resources are valuable for school projects, personal interests, or simply expanding your knowledge. Gone are the days of waiting for a newspaper to get your daily dose of news. With the internet, you can stay informed about current events happening around the world in real time. News websites and apps provide up-to-the-minute coverage of breaking news, politics, sports, entertainment, and more. Many news sources offer their content for free, while others require subscriptions. It's essential to choose reputable sources known for their accuracy and unbiased reporting. By following different news outlets, you can get a well-rounded perspective on current events. Section 4. Learning without limits, e-learning platforms. The internet has revolutionized the way we learn, making education more accessible and convenient than ever before. E-learning platforms offer a wide range of online courses, tutorials, and educational resources catering to learners of all ages and interests. From Khan Academy's free math lessons to Coursera's university-level courses, there are endless opportunities to expand your knowledge and skills. E-learning platforms offer flexibility, allowing you to learn at your own pace and on your schedule. They also provide interactive learning experiences through videos, quizzes, and online forums, making education more engaging and effective. Section 5. Communication Revolution. Connecting in the digital age. The internet has transformed how we communicate, making it easier than ever to stay connected with friends, family, and colleagues worldwide. With just a few clicks or taps, we can bridge the gap of thousands of miles and share moments in real time. Email allows us to send and receive messages instantly, facilitating both personal and professional communication. It has become an indispensable tool in our daily lives. While social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter enable us to share updates, photos, and videos with our network, these platforms have revolutionized how we interact, allowing us to stay updated with the lives of those we care about. For real-time conversations, instant messaging apps like WhatsApp and Messenger offer text, voice, and video calling features. These tools have made it possible to have face-to-face conversations even when we're miles apart. Video conferencing tools like Zoom and Google Meet have become essential for virtual meetings, remote collaboration, and staying connected with loved ones far away. These platforms have redefined the way we work and socialize. Webinars and online seminars provide platforms for large-scale presentations, workshops, and conferences. reaching audiences across the globe. They offer opportunities for learning and engagement that were previously unimaginable. Section 6. The Internet advantage benefits you can't ignore. The Internet offers numerous benefits, making it an indispensable tool in our modern world. From enhancing productivity in workplaces to providing entertainment at our fingertips, its impact is far-reaching. Its global reach connects people from all corners of the globe, fostering communication and understanding across cultures. This connectivity has revolutionized how we interact, breaking down geographical barriers and bringing the world closer together. Accessibility is another significant advantage, as the Internet provides access to information and resources for people with disabilities who might face barriers with traditional media. It empowers individuals by offering tools and platforms that cater to diverse needs, ensuring inclusivity. Cost-effectiveness is a major benefit, with many online resources available for free or at a fraction of the cost of traditional alternatives. This democratization of information and education has opened doors for countless individuals seeking knowledge and skills. Email, instant messaging, and video conferencing offer affordable communication solutions, reducing the need for expensive phone calls or travel. These tools have transformed both personal and professional communication, making it more efficient and cost-effective. Time efficiency is another key advantage, as information retrieval and communication happen almost instantly online. This rapid access to information and the ability to communicate in real time have made the Internet an essential part of our daily lives. Section 7. The Internet shaping our world, connecting us all. The Internet has revolutionized how we access information, learn, and communicate, profoundly impacting our lives. It empowers us to explore our curiosity, connect with others, and stay informed about the world around us. As technology advances, the Internet will continue to evolve, offering new and innovative ways to connect, learn, and engage with the world. By understanding the power and potential of the Internet, we can harness its benefits to create a more informed, connected, and equitable world for everyone.